In this tutorial, we'll be adding some customization options to the crouch system script. So make sure to join this Discord server, which will be in the description down below, where you will see all my models I did in it before. You can talk to me, you will see all my latest videos, and if you have any questions about anything, feel free to ask me. In this tutorial, we'll be adding some customization options to the crouch system script. Someone recommended me to make it like that you have to hold C to crouch, which we will make. And also the same person recommended me to make it so that you can only crouch when you are standing still. So first we're going to make it so that you have to hold down C, and this is very simple to do. So let's actually delete this whole script overline, like this function toggle crouch, and let's add a local function that crouch. Yeah, and then we're gonna do our state in this thing. Then is crouching equals to state. Then if is crouching, then humanoid.walk speed equals to crouch speed. And then update crouch animation like this. And then else, what we're gonna do is humanoid.walk speed equals normal speed. Idle track point stop with the brackets, and then walk track point stop with the brackets. And then in here, we're gonna leave this user input service began up key code. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this to inside of these things, we're gonna set this to true, but then you're also gonna do set crouch. We're gonna set this to true. Then what you can do is you can actually copy this whole code and paste it down here, but instead of input began, do input ended like this. And you actually don't have to add this code if in process. Okay, boom. Then set this to false. So if it began, you set this to true. If it's ended, set it to false. And this true and false, we're gonna send this as a state. Then we know if you're crouching or not. So when you play the game, you have to hold down C to crouch. Now, to make it that you can only crouch when you stand still, just add in a simple code of line, which is this: if state and humanoid dot move direction dot magnitude is bigger than 0, then return. And then this stays exactly the same. So now when we play the game and we're walking, we are not I cannot crouch. I'm pressing C, I cannot crouch. Only when I'm standing still I can crouch and walk. You see, I'm walking, I cannot press C to crouch, but only when I stand still I can press C and I can start crouch walking. I hope this is what this person wanted me to make. If you have any other ideas I can add to this script, or if you have any other tutorial ideas, feel free to ask me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is just a simple update on the script. And if you can, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of this month. This will be crazy. I'm already at 84 or 85, I don't know. Thank you all for the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.